Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today I'm gonna share and one more awesome strategy which is about boom and crash. This strategy is totally based on Ichimoku and also moving averages, bulls power, bears power, and also MACD. Okay, and MACD also very popular in traders and they know how to use this. And we bring this MACD with a new strategy. I hope you guys will understand clearly. And let me explain more things about this strategy, and so you guys will understand clearly how actually this strategy works. This strategy also for milking spikes and also for milking trend candles like crash for buy and boom for sale. Look here, this is in a real account we made just on crash trade $64 here. Okay guys, and on Voltaire 100 we made just $13. Okay, look here, I just crashed, okay, in front of you guys how this crash went. So let's go and set up the strategy and see how things gonna work for us and we make profit. Okay, so first of all let's go to moving averages. First of all you have to need 25 period moving average, and the second one also 15, a simple. Okay, the third one will be 12 period, and the fourth one will be 20 period. Here is the HMING strategy. I will prefer you guys take screenshot and save, and look here, take screenshot, save and set up after watching this video. Look here, I'm moving every 30 period, RSI 14 period, a bears power 2 pixel, and here is the bull's power 48 period 2 pixel, and MACD, the fast EMA of MACD is 12 and slow EMA 26, and MACD SMA is a 5. Apply to close and choose the color same as showing in the video, and make sure you have added all these indicators. Okay, how to trade, let's go and see how to trade using these indicators. So I hope you guys understand how to set up. I will show again. The first one will be 25 period moving average, simple. The second one will be 15, simple, apply to close. The third one will be 12, simple, apply to close. The fourth one will be 20, simple, apply to close. And Ichimoku 9,950, Tekken-san, Kiju-san, Shinku-span. Okay, and the second Ichimoku 9,952. Okay, moving every 30 period. RSI 40 period, 14 period, bears power 13 period 2 pixel, bulls power 48 period, here's the bulls power 48 period, MACD. So let's get on chart and see how actually things gonna look here. The crash is gonna again happen. Okay, why? So let's see here. Once that moving average is crossed downward here, I will highlight the area, and Ichimoku also cross. Okay, so it means that market will go down. The confirmation will come here from a bears power histogram, and also the bulls power histogram when showing downward, and also the MACD is showing downward. It's mean go for sale, guys. It's mean go for sale, guys. And how to buy? Look here, moving averages crossing each other and upward. look here, and that B's power B's power is also showing upward, and here is the bull's power also showing upward, and make the signal also showing upward. Go and scalp a minimum 5 candles, okay, and make awesome profit. Okay, look here, guys, we just need to enter in the market. Okay, the confirmation will come. How? Look here. The bearish power, a bullish power, okay, and the MACD also showing upward. Once the confirm, go for a trade and milk minimum 5 candles, so you will go and earn much money. This is very powerful strategy, a very awesome strategy. Let's move on crash or boom 1000 and see how actually things gonna work for us using this strategy. I'm sorry, I'm using here VPN because of that uh, the chat is not loading properly and very fast. I'm sorry. Look here, guys, now it's time to see this a live example. The moving averages all crossed each other, okay, and here is the bear's power is going downward, here is the bull's power is going downward, and here is RSI is going downward. You can go for a buy trade, sorry, a sell trade. Okay, guys, so this is the strategy. I hope you guys will understand clearly and milk this strategy. Just go for 3 candle or 5 candle, and once done, simply go and close your trade. Okay, guys, so this is the strategy. This strategy is gonna help you to milk the market. Let's move on crash 1000. This chart is not loading because I'm using VPN of a different country. Look here, guys, the first spike appear here. A moving average is crossed immediately, and BS power also showing downward, and the bull's power also showing downward, and this one also showing. And if you enter the trade here immediately after spike, then you still in profit. Look here, if you entered here and you made some money, why? Because of this spike. This spike made you profit. Okay, look here, our trade, 2 candles, and let's close. So this is the risk, how you gonna make the profit. Okay, guys, but just to simply go for 5 candles, 3 or 4 candles, and make the market using this strategy. This strategy is gonna help you guys. And look here, a buy trade, a bearish power, a bullish power, and MACD started upward. It's the confirmation of buy. Okay, guys, I hope you guys understand and you will enjoy this strategy. If you have any question, please feel free inbox us. We are ready to help you.